And this is your another NBC. It comes in 1080p. See how clear it is? So you get that Fox, another Fox. It comes in probably like 720. You get your another charge. That's that charge channel I was telling you about. But sometimes they repeat themselves, but it's just when one won't come in, the other one will. And this is your H&I channel. It's another channel different from any of them I showed you so far. And that's that same CW, but it has a decent picture in it too. It's like 720. And this is your other comment channel. And now this is your CBS channel. When you're watching football on Sundays, you'll get your CBS channel, and then you'll get your Fox, so you can watch free football on Sundays. You know, you can't miss your football, especially during the playoffs and all that. Everything's great with that. So you have that to watch. And then you have this other channel here. It's Me TV. You know, old Bonanza. So you get to watch your old good westerns on this one too. Then you have that other circle channel, you know, that country channel you've seen before. And this is your Ion channel, you know, which you get, you know, your old school SWAT and, you know, different channels like that. And this is your Justice channel, which you have True Crime Network. It'll show a bunch of, you know, murder mysteries and all that, you know, current and past, cold cases and all that. And now this is your My Net. It's a small TV, but those are your channels you get. If you like that, this antenna, you could put it together. Like I said, you go to your Walmart channel, and then you would look for your outdoor antenna. And then you go to Lowe's and get your other little two apparatuses I showed you. Look back in the video, and I gave you a little pricing on it and everything. If you like and subscribe, Carlos Hall YouTube channel, hit that button. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.